Hi, and welcome to another video, this one, msProject 101. I'm going to demonstrate in the next few minutes how to create a simple project plan, also known as a Gantt chart, by very simple processes. I'm going to give focus to a cell under the word task name. These are fields across the top, such as task name, duration, start, and finish. As I type in my first entry, I've populated my clipboard and will simply paste those in. Microsoft makes assumptions. They assume each of these tasks, as I type them in, will take 1 day of duration. They assume they will all start on today's date. I'm going to go down and continue typing here, one more task, and I'm going to call it the hour work. So I simply type it in and hit enter. It's the process of hitting enter where Microsoft triggers in the next three fields: duration, start, and finish. It's now my responsibility to alter those durations according to information I picked up from my subject matter experts, referred to as SMEs. We're going to say that the first actual job here, my job, is going to take 3, and that would be measured in days. But your task, on the other hand, is going to take 1, or maybe 1.5. I'm going to change the units away from days to weeks. The code for that is a W. 1.5W, and as I hit enter, you can see the corresponding change in the Gantt chart on the right side of my screen. The last one, hour work, is going to be measured in minutes. The unit for that is M, so this will be 35 minutes. The smallest unit is 1 minute. I'm now going to add in one more task that I usually have in here. It's known as a milestone. And as I hit enter, the spelling I chose was done. Microsoft again makes the assumption of 1 day. To create a milestone task within the msProject environment, simply set the duration as 0, and that would be 0 days. I now have 2 other operations to perform. The first operation is to take the jobs under a phase, so in my case the My phase, and task 2, 3, 4, and 5, on my task tab up at the top of my screen, in the schedules group, I'm going to do an indent. Note as I hover over it, I could memorize Alt Shift right arrow for indenting. As I indent those, my phase becomes a roll up to those. Some people refer to this as child and parent. Others refer to it as detail and summary task. One last operation is to link these tasks also in the schedule group. I simply aim at the link tasks icon, looks like a little piece of chain link, click, and that establishes their predecessors. The tasks are now sequenced, with my job having 3 days, and at the completion of the 3 days, your task kicks in for 1.5 weeks, then our work begins for 35 minutes, and then finally a milestone indicating all the work is done. It can be just that quick and easy to do a simple Gantt chart. Hope you enjoy.